So I came home last night from the pub and I could hear an alarm going off. It wasn't the car I was in, obviously. It was the car which is in the garage. It was my Porsche. So obviously I had to come in, take the battery off and make sure I got access to it, which wasn't actually as easy as I thought. I didn't realise that you had to get power to the car just to open the bonnet, obviously being the front and the power thing. So I'm going to get the car now and we'll have a quick look. Stupid thing. I'll get the car out now and we'll have a look and I'll show you exactly what I did to rectify it and get the car powered up again. Obviously it's not a difficult job at all. I just thought you'd be aware of it in case you own a 981, a 718, even some of the 911s. It's the same procedure. So here we go. So excuse the garage being a bit of a mess when you just moved in, so loads of things to do. So as you can see, got batteries in there. You have to lift the handle and you can get to the key then. So pop the key out, turn that, and obviously the door is open then. But as you can see, not opening. So bit of a pain. So what you need to do is just grab a torch. There we go. So you can see, I'll put that there. So pop up the fuse box cover. I believe it's on both sides. And this little tab here, this red one, just have to pull that out. I can do it like so. Now hopefully you can see there's power connection on that. So what we need to do now is connect a jump pack or something just to actually open it. So I've got a little knocker here, nothing special, little naff one. Got a big bad boy in work, so I don't really need a big one at home. Don't need a big one at home. She wouldn't agree. So anyway, so connect it like that. Connect to the check strap, or if you can, be even better here, but my lead's not long enough on this one. Get it all powered up. There we go. So now we're just gonna, so now we're in. So, and it's dead simple if you haven't done before one of these, excuse all the crap. Pull that up. Same the other side. And the whole thing pulls to audio. And off. Let's bin that off for a minute. Get that out of the way. Right, so this is a new battery I fitted recently. I only ever fit Volta or X-Side. It came with a Bonnet, which is the original Porsche battery, believe it or not, which explains for me as being they are absolutely crap. So last time to come in, I just took the positive, excuse my hand. So last time to come, I just popped the positive off, so the alarm wasn't going off any longer. So what I need to do really now is charge this battery, give it a run in the car as well. I've ordered a CTek battery conditioner and charger, and from doing some research, you're meant to connect the power to it here, but you don't connect the negative there. You connect the negative to this proper ground point here, which is what Porsche say in the manuals. So you should never ever jump it off that. You should always jump it off that side, negative wise. So I'm going to crack on with that now and get it running. Just a 10 mil, so pop it back on, nip it up. Don't over tighten it. Too many people over tighten it and it cracks here. You don't need to do that. If it's tight and it's not budging, happy days. So now I just need to make this a bit bigger, as you can see, because it's too big for the bolt. I was going to drill out and make it thinner, but decided the best bit is to give it a little snip on the edge, and you can just pry it open slightly to pop it on. I'll put a washer over it later. So I'm just going to put a little cut in that. There we go. That's nice, nice little cut in that now, as you can see. It's going to get a nice pair of grips or pliers. There we go. Right. So just prise it open gently. Should be about right there, I think. Let's give it a quick try. And that should just thread in. Perfect, that'll do me. So this bolt is actually the right one I need for the ground point, but as you can see, it's a bit too long, so I'm just going to trim it down to about there probably, and then it should be able to get it in and get it done. Right, so this is where I'm going to install it. As I say, just recapping, live there. You're not meant to install a negative to this side of the earth because it overrides the battery management system, so Porsche, you're not meant to. That's why the only one they sell comes with a cigarette light adapter. That's the ground you're meant to connect it to, but obviously it's a bit too short, the cable I've got to do that, and I didn't want to start cutting and splicing the cable. So I'm going to plug it into the live here and the ground over this side. So I think that would be the same ground you use for a left-hand drive vehicle. So I've checked it on the multimeter, yeah, it's perfectly good. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. The plan, get it to there, plug it across, and then I've got an extension to pop up further away. So let's get on to that now. Right, so here we go. Bolted down, nice and secure. Cable zip tied under there, out the way, onto here, and I've zip tied it up to there. The reason I've tied it up to there, I was going to tuck it around the back so I've got an extension, but I've wanted to unplug the extension so I can put my motorbike on charge, at least I can steal that from this occasionally. So now I'm going to attach the extension to there and work out where I want it to pop up on the scuttle cover. Right, so I've put the extension in, I've put this panel back on. I've left it here at the moment for two reasons. One, I don't know exactly how much length I need to go to the charger, so I'm going to test it a little bit first. If you do want to tie it up here, there's some holes in here, so you can zip tie that to there nice and neat. Or I could do it on like a cable reel so I can pull it all out because there's quite a lot of length on that. The other option is it will tuck under there, there's a hole there for your finger, so it will actually go through there, and I could leave it just sat in that hole. Not sure yet, we'll try a little bit of error, but there we go. At least it's installed and the car can go and charge easily. Obviously you can just pull this up, tuck it through the hole here, through the bonnet, put something on the wing, stop the scratch, and then pull it out, and dead easy to do. So there we go, installed. Let's get it back in, see if it powers up okay. So excuse the dirty rag, so yeah, it pops up here, pull it out, it shuts easily then the bonnet. Little rag there, I'll tuck that under the wheel because I've got a car cover to go on it as well, so at least it'll all be tucked up with the cover on it. Right, so that's it, job should be done. Just need to put a cable out and extend that under the floor. I was going to make one hang down from the top of the garage, out there, so it went straight in, but then obviously you wouldn't be able to put the cover on really, so I'm going to go with this option for now. Thanks for watching, hope that helps you out with your setup of the charger on a Cayman or Porsche 911.